Happy Sunday, guys. It's your girl Lasami, and today is a beautiful day, and I only got 5 hours of sleep, but I am still ready to have my kids and to teach them today, whether I have 2 or 10. So today we're actually learning about the body of armor, and I'm going to be kind of reviewing and discussing with them what each one means and why it's important for us to have it in our life. And so I'm just going to share what I'm doing today, and I hope that this will help you have an idea on what you could do in your own classroom. And sometimes we get in the habit of just teaching and then doing a craft about it, but what are they really understanding and what are they really taking from it so they can apply it to their life? So today I am doing a little station thing where they're doing stuff that's really hands-on and to test if they really know it. So what I'm doing today is I'm basically just discussing about the armor of God, and I'm going to be talking about like the helmet, the sword, what each one means. Make sure that is very clear to them so they understand that and why it's important that we have that in our life. And so I have that, and then I have stations for my kids today. So they're going to be very hands-on and movie. So I have 3 desks, and then that one right there. So for the first station, they're going to be actually writing down Ephesians 6:13, and they're going to be just rewriting it and meditating on what it really means, and they can decorate that. And so that's station number 1. My second station is they are going to write down what each body of armor means. So they have to generate it. And I would recommend that you give it to them first, and the ones that they don't know is the one they have to like really meditate on and study. And I do have an answer sheet on the back of the room, so if they don't know a question after they complete it, they can just look at that. And then I have this worksheet here. It says, why do you want to wear the armor of God? Why does it help you? Things that will, help them think about, hey, why do I even need this stuff, And then the final station is a matching station. They're going to be matching the words and the definition for each body of armor. So that's going to be super exciting. And then my final station is right here. I'm going to be sitting at that seat. And then I have 3 younger ones, and they're like 4. They're basically all 4 and 5. So yeah, they're really young. And I am going to put them in a small group while the older ones are doing this station. And I'm just going to be teaching them about each body of armor. And I'm just going to make it real simple. Let them do like a cute coloring sheet here. And then letting them practice writing and what each word means here, like salvation, truth, word of God. And so that is what I'm doing with my small group here for my kids. And yeah, I just hope this gives you guys ideas. And I'm going to be recording what I am doing. I'm going to be recording, and I'm going to let you guys know how it goes. Maybe it might be a mess. I pre-planned this, but never know. So I hope you guys have an awesome day and continue watching to see it in real life action. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing with my hand. Good job, Allie. Continue. Good job.
Look.
Oh, yeah, I see. Oh, very good. High five.
Yay!
Ooh, good job, Job.
Wait, she didn't win yet. What?
How many do you have left, Diana?
Huh?
How many do you have left? Let's see. Oh, I see you have some more left. Wow. Yeah. Hey guys, I know I am not in the same location. It's because today's Monday, but I just wanted to reflect back on my lesson on Sunday, which is the body of armor. And so I thought that it went really well. I think that
everything went according to plan. The only thing that the kids were struggling with was trying to remember what each body of armor really was. So as organization wise and how everything flowed and them being attentive, everything was good. It was just they knew some parts of the body of armor, but then some of them they didn't know, which I understand because it is only our second week learning about it, and it was just hard for them to remember word for word what each body of armor means. So I would say next time, maybe review it a little bit more in depth, maybe have the students have flashcards letting them study that for like 10 minutes, and then they can do the stations so they actually know the definitions of each armor. I'm still learning and growing as a children's ministry teacher, so I think it just all comes in practice at the end of the day. Like how much they really retain it just comes from them reviewing it over and over again, and them actually applying it in their life. So I know that they know for sure why they have to have the body of armor and why it's important in their life. So I know that they have that down. It was just trying to remember what each one is and memorizing that. So that's about it, but everything else went really good. My kids were so good. The 3 kids that I have, the younger ones, were so cute and they were so competitive. Like the Job, which is the one in the middle, he was like, oh my gosh, look, I can do all of this, I'm doing so good. And like he was like, look, I'm winning everybody. Like he was just, they're just very competitive and very like, I can do this and I win, you know, but they're still babies and they're so young. So I'm trying to teach them like it's not a race, it's all for, you know, learning. But they did very well and I am very happy that it turned out well. So yeah, that is my reflection of what I thought about my lesson.